Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Tuesday, January 24, and the time is around 3:15 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the Bitcoin here. This is a 2-hour time frame. We can see the rally in Bitcoin ended with 2 in the minor degree here at 16,306. Since then, the rally, I think without any doubt, looks pretty impulsive to me. So we have this what looks like a nest 1, 2, and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, and now is looking to end the wave 5 of 3. Now I think there is a possibility with 5 of 3 may have ended here. I think it's really quite easy to move the the 3 and the 4 below here, but the bottom line is because the rally is impulsive, it doesn't matter whether or not 3 ended here. The fact of the matter is, if it is a pullback, if it is pulling back from here, then the pullback will always find support in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing. Okay, so in the primary count here, we are just calling for a little bit more upside because we don't have enough evidence we're gonna drop from here. I think it will be better just to be on the the side of the previous trend, which is bullish. So we could still see another leg higher to finish this 5 in the sub minuet, and then also 5 in the minuet degree here before we finish with 3. Okay, and then from there we can get a pullback in the wave 4 in the in the black color here, okay, before it extends higher again. So the idea is that when we see any kind of pullback from the peak, whether the peak comes from here 3 ways, or whether the peak comes from here 3 ways here, or another 3 ways again, it will continue to find support and it will continue to go higher because of the nest. Once we finish the 5 ways in the black degree here, then it should finish with 3 as well in the minor degree. And then from there we can get a little bit bigger pullback in the wave 4 and then higher again. So as you can see, there will be several 3 and 4 before we actually finish the cycle, right? So overall, we're gonna be focusing only in the shorter cycle right now in the Bitcoin. The idea is that as long as this level, I know the level is kind of pretty far because it is a wave 2, right? As long as this pivot is holding, then any kind of subsequent pullback should continue to find support. Again, the key is in the sequence of the 3, 7, 11 swing, right? Now the worst case scenario in this case, for example, is going to be like 3 in black ended here, 4 in black ended here, 5 in black, and 3 in red ended here. So that means we could still be in the 4. I mean, we could already be in the 4 in the red, in the sort of the less bullish scenario, but even then it's still going to be expected to find support every single time. So for example, if we already start with 4 in the minor degree, you would have expected the wave 4 to be at least 23.6, around 23.6, 38.2% retracement before ending with 4 in this degree here, assuming the wave 3 ended here, and then from there we can go higher again. So the degree can change depending on whether or not we make extension, or we continue to go down, but the idea doesn't change, that the pullback, when we see any, is going to continue to find support. Like you can see here, 3 swings, we find buyers going higher. Now let's say if it goes down again, then you have another 3 swing from here, 1, 2, 3, it's going to find another buyers again, and so on. So the pullback is going to continue to find support in 3, 7, 11 swing for the upside again in Bitcoin. All right, so of course we're going to continue to update the count as the data progress, and you can continue to check in our service. We update the 1-hour time frame 4 times a day, and we do have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.